Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shardemarie. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. From the title, you guys can see I am doing my Sunday reset, my Sunday routine. I do this routine when I'm having a stressful week and I want to start the week off on a better note. So if you guys want to see what I do for my Sunday reset or Sunday routine, then continue to keep watching. Alright guys, so it's like 10 o'clock in the morning right now and I have my church playing on my TV out in the living room, but I'm in my bedroom right now because I just got up and went to go clean my kitchen for a little bit, but I need to actually make my bed. That's what I normally do when I first wake up, is make my bed, but I don't know, it didn't really cross my mind to do it until just now. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to sit you guys up somewhere so you guys can see me make my bed. Okay, so bed is made. And yes, I still have my Merry Christmas pillow up because it's still Christmas in my house. Okay, that's the only time I'm the most happiest is during the Christmas time or my birthday. So now next on the list of this Sunday routine is brushing my teeth and doing my skincare. So I didn't tell you guys, but I did add 3 new products into my skincare routine. If you watch my boxy show unboxing, I showed you guys the 3 new products, skincare products that I got. So I've been using, my new toner is now the Pharmacy Deep Sweet Toner. I use 2 eye creams, one at night and one during the day. During the day I use the Dr. Brandt, at night I use the Elements. So yeah, I'm going to go do my skincare and brush my teeth so we can go into the kitchen and make some breakfast.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's how these summer do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, babe, can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you
guys, so after I finish doing my skincare, I come into the kitchen and prepare my ingredients for my breakfast. So for breakfast today, we're going to be making French toast, eggs with spinach and kale, and turkey sausage. I keep thinking about turkey bacon, but I don't have turkey bacon. I have turkey sausage with a cup of coffee. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up so you can watch me make my breakfast, and I hope you enjoy this little cooking session.
Between us, just like fences. You got my shoes that I'm mentioning right now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you, no. Listen, part of building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
I know you intend this. I'm here to sing your victory. You ain't got the glory. You ain't got the glory. I did it. So I came this morning. I know you're using this. I'm here to sing your victory. You ain't got the glory. You ain't got the glory. I did it. So get out of my head. I explained. Alright guys, so now I'm in the beauty room. Eating my breakfast. Hopefully the clips that I got for you guys as I was making my breakfast were efficient, but I'm in the beauty room. This is not something that I do every Sunday because I try to not do work on Sundays when it comes to YouTube, but my computer is running out of memory, so I have to buy an external hard drive, so on my laptop, not my iMac. So I have to use my iMac to go ahead and edit this vlog so I can get that up on the vlog channel. But like I said, this is not an every Sunday thing. Usually by now I'm like probably just relaxing for a little bit and then I'll start getting the cleaning. So what I'm going to do is finish eating this, turn back on my gospel, because it's Sunday, so we're doing the gospel in this house. So turn back on my gospel, finish editing this video so I can have that edited and exported from here to my laptop so I can go ahead and upload that so they can be ready to go on Monday and eat my breakfast, and I'll see you guys when I'm done.
You're the one for me. You're the
we are basically done with cleaning, and this is the last part of my Sunday reset routine, which is writing in my journal. And I take like between 10 to 20 minutes just to write in my journal, maybe shorter than that depending on what I have to get out. So I got this notebook and it says journal on it. I got this from Target, and it came with like 2 other notebooks, so I use the other 2 notebooks for other things. But I just sit on this couch, just think about everything that happened either that same day or throughout the week, or just anything that's in my head, and just take, like I said, between 10 to 20 minutes to write down my thoughts and my feelings. So that's what I'm about to do now. So I wrote in my journal, it probably was no more than like 5 minutes when I wrote in there. Yeah, it was probably like no more than 5 minutes. But I didn't have a lot to say because I did a journal entry on the 12th, and that's where I really poured it all out. Here I just wrote just like, you know, pending thoughts and things that I had in my mind. But this is going to be the end of this Sunday reset routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your post notifications to get notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.